Rock and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Holmes County, southwestern Stark County, southeastern Wayne County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 6 miles northeast of Holmesville and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Walnut Creek, Mount Eaton, Winesburg, Wilmette, Brewster, Mount Hope, and Beach City.
Urgent weather message.